Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best nail tool sterilizers that are available on the market for their true quality. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the TAKIYA Portable Nail Tool Cleaner. The TAKIYA Nail Tool Cleaner is designed to keep your nail tools and other daily items fresh and ready to use. It helps you maintain your tweezers, nail tips, and art brushes by using advanced light technology, making it easier to keep your tools clean and in good condition. Beyond nail tools, you can also refresh items like your phone, jewelry, keys, and watches, adding extra convenience to your routine. The cleaner is made from durable materials and includes a built-in essential oil cartridge, so you can enjoy a subtle fragrance while freshening your items. Using it is simple. Just place your items inside, close the lid, and start the cycle, with clear progress lights showing the cleaning status. Moving on, at number 4, we have the MelodySusie DL160 Nail Tool Cleaning Machine. The MelodySusie nail cleaner is designed to keep your small nail tools spotless and hygienic. It uses powerful high-frequency vibrations to remove dirt and grime from nail drill bits, brushes, and clippers, ensuring a deep clean every time. The machine combines cleaning with blue light technology, which helps enhance the cleaning process and tackle tough dirt. You can choose from 3 timer settings, 3, 6, or 10 minutes, so you can customize the cleaning based on how dirty your tools are. The inner tank is made of safe stainless steel and has a large capacity, allowing you to clean your tools thoroughly and safely with water or mild solutions. At number 3, we have the SUTOKAKA Nail Tool Sterilizer Box. The SUTOKAKA Sterilizer Box is a compact and durable plastic container designed to keep your nail tools clean and organized. Measuring just over 3 inches, it's perfect for storing and soaking manicure accessories. The clear lid allows you to easily monitor the sterilization process without opening the box. Inside, a removable drain basket helps you lift out your tools and dispose of used disinfectant quickly and mess-free. To use, simply fill the box with disinfectant, soak your tools for about 3 minutes, then remove and dry them. This makes sterilizing your nail art tools simple and efficient, whether at home or on the go. At number 2, we have the Smith Chew High Temp Metal Tool Cleaning Box. The Smith Chew Metal Tool Cleaner is designed to help you keep your metal manicure and pedicure tools spotless and safe. It uses high heat to effectively clean and sanitize your tools, which is essential for maintaining hygiene in salons or at home. Its compact cleaning box design makes it easy to handle and store. This metal tool cleaner is perfect for both salon professionals and personal users who want a reliable way to maintain their grooming tools. With this device, you can ensure your beauty and hair tools are always ready for use, reducing the risk of contamination and improving your overall grooming experience. And finally, at number 1, we have the LXIANGN Portable USB Nail Tool Sterilizer. The LXIANGN Nail Sterilizer offers a quick and effective way to clean your beauty tools. Using 8 LED lights that surround your items, it sterilizes with over 99% efficiency in just 5 minutes, making it perfect for nail tools, eyelash curlers, and even everyday items like phones and keys. It's simple to use. Just connect it via USB, place your items inside, and watch the progress with clear indicator lights. Plus, it's compact and portable, so you can easily carry it wherever you go. For added relaxation, you can add essential oils inside to freshen your tools with a pleasant scent during the cleaning process. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.